Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your Google Drive account to N8N. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are in N8N. We are going to the top right hand side. We're going to click on create workflow. You can either use this or we can click on the start from scratch at the bottom over here. Whichever way you use, you will end up in this interface, and this is where you're going to build your workflow. So what we can do is we can click on the add first step here, or on the top right hand side we can tap on this plus button. I'm going to use the add first step, and here you are going to add your first step. All right, so we're going to connect to Google Drive. So let's just type in Drive over here, and you can see here it is. Now once you click on it, there's a few steps that you need to take. First of all, there's the knowledge store agent. So here you can retrieve, analyze, and answer questions using documents uploaded to your Google Drive. This is a way that you can integrate your Google Drive with N8N. And then secondly, you'll see that there is a triggers section. So your triggers section would be on changes to a specific file or changes involving a specific folder. Okay, so this is another way that you can connect your Google Drive to N8N. And then we have the actions section over here. And if you want to know a little bit more about this, an action is when you perform a step once the workflow has already started. So it will be your end result. Here you have different file actions, so you can choose what you'd like to actually have the action be. So it could be anything from copying a file, uploading, moving, sharing, creating folders, and then there's also share options over here. So you can create different shared options, you can delete, and so forth. So these are all the ways that you can connect your Google Drive directly to N8N. Of course, because this is the first step, you will need to use this trigger option over here. So it'll be your trigger option, but if this is not your first step, maybe this is your final step, then you will be using the action section, and then it'll take action within your Google Drive. I hope this was helpful.